What's up, team? It's Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, I am sharing with you a method that is going to be sure to give you maximum definition for your curls. Here, I'm showing you what I'll be using today, the Aussie Insta-Freeze, as well as the Aussie Mousse 24-hour hold for the volume. Yes, and then the For You by Tia, as well as some Cantu oil. Don't worry about that bottle. It's a little beat up. Anywho, and then I'm going to show you the order in which I'm using the products. That's number 3. That's number 4. Yep. And we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I've already started, and as I was going through this process, I was like, well, let me show you guys because it started looking cute. I didn't want y'all to miss out, okay? So I actually, at the time of doing this, did not know how it was going to turn out. I was just trying something out because I did a wash and go previously, and it looks good, but the curls weren't super defined. So I was like, oh, let me try this finger coil method. Yeah, and so I'm just trying it out here. It's pretty simple. You will get your arm workout in because your hands are going to be up for quite a while, but once you get going, it's pretty easy and simple. It took me probably maybe an hour and a half to complete all this. Mind you, I'm detangling and everything as I go, so this is fresh off of wash day, and I just went right into this style. So yeah, I think this is a really great alternative to the traditional wash and go. This actually lasted me about 8 days, so I'll post another video after this, to show you what I did to maintain this wash and go and keep it looking good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that you need to know just to get this going for yourself, and then come back at the end so you guys can see the results and I can tell you exactly how I feel about this particular style.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Licking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She can tell you the things you want.
All right, so at this point, I'm done with applying all the products. I'm just kind of looking at my edges and wanted to go ahead and go over them again really quick. And I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking, where we are, and just let you guys know that I was getting excited. I'm like, okay, maybe I actually did something here. Let's see. And I had to wait a bit for it to dry. It probably took every bit of 4, 5, 6 hours to dry, but as it began to dry, it just started looking better and better, and I was really shocked that all the product ended up just kind of melting in my hair, because I was a little concerned about it possibly becoming flaky, because I had a previous style that was flaky, and I was like, oh no, I don't want that. But yeah, guys, get into these curls. They are super defined, they are coily and just beautiful, and I just love that I'm able to just capture my curls, my 4C natural hair. I have 4B and 4C hair actually, And I love that I am embracing my shrinkage here lately, and it's just such a beautiful thing. Shrinkage is just a sign that your hair is healthy. Overall, I recommend these products. These combinations work beautifully for my natural hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely am excited to continue to bring you guys more natural hair content, so be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss whenever I drop a new upload, which is pretty frequent. I post at least 4 times a week, so definitely join the ride. Let me know if there's any other hairstyles or products you would like for me to try or review, and I'll do my best to get them done. Remember to comment below and let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know how I did. I'm really interested to see what you guys think. Again, I'm Tierra B, and I am out. Bye!